Okay, acting Madasigol. Okay ha? Kanang mo ang last promo is Madasigol. Ako po acting Madasigol. Sige, next time. 1, 2, 3, go. Ako po acting Madasigol. Acting Madasigol. Ako po Okay, so let's start with an activity. This title is Scramble and Explain. Scramble the word and each word is related word discussion and define the word after unscrambling and explain each word in your own words. So magpili ako isa ka tao niya. Pag ma-scramble na yung word, mag-explain na lang niya. Ano ko lang? Explain. Okay, this is something that you can send to a person to have a feedback. Thank you, Mr. Chan. Uy, nag-video ba? Bakit kayo po yung nag-video na rin? Miss Please, we've got what is valid.
Presentations, like for example, presentation, like what you are doing.
Yeah, just like what I'm doing. Please.
It's more like presenting something that with a certain topic.
Okay. Mr. Makarite.
Presentation is something doing in front of the audience, giving
Sir, nangilom sa mga hapon. Okay, thank you. Presentation conveys information from speaker to an audience. So let's simply put it as an introduction, demonstration, or to say that meant to understand and inform an audience. So for a successful presentation, here are the 5 key elements for you to follow. First is the presenter. Second is the audience. Third is the message. Fourth is the method. And fifth is the reaction. Let's discuss first the presenter. May I request the reading?
a presenter is a person or organization responsible for the running of a public event or someone who conveys information on media via broadcasting.
Okay. Presenter is the speaker delivering a message. So if you are a presenter speaking in front of one, you should be clear and understand your topic. So of course, di ba, pag mag-present ka, dapat nakasabot ka sa imong topic. And second is, you should possess an effective communication skills such as verbal or non-verbal skills. Di ba, manantali ng topic, verbal gani.
Non-verbal is a form of communication where the person uses gestures, expressions. Thank you.
What about the verbal? Please.
This is language.
Okay.
Voice.
Tama. And that is the presenter. Next is the audience. May I request? Kari.
An audience is a group of people who participate in a show or encounter a work of art, literature, in which they are called readers, theater, music, in which they are called listeners, video games, in which they are called players, or academics in any major.
Audience is your target audience. So you must understand their needs, their level of understanding so that matino niyo ang mga message nga masosya sa inyong audience ka. In that way, makuha ninyo, mahook ninyo ang iyang attention. And that will be my part and the rest will be discussed by Mr.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jonathan. And today we're going Quiet, everyone. So, today we're going to continue to find, I'll continue to discuss the 5 key elements of communication. So, next is message. So, any one of you can explain what
This is the
a message is the sheet of communication intended by the source for consumption by some recipient or group of recipient. When we talk about message, it's all about how the presenters explain their ideas. So, we talk about message. It's not just about random information, but it is purposefully crafted by the presenters and received by one or more recipients.
Yes.
Next is your process. Refers to a process or corresponds to an action event or we talk about action. Hindi na natin apply ang kanang sa
another example of that. So we have also then introduce ideas from a process, meaning presenters ensure that the audience understands what ideas we have to. Next is the method. So method, the theory, a portion of the presentation, mood, or technical inquiry or system in research, or a prescribed process for completing tasks. So we know to apply a different methods or strategies on how to present presentation. So we have to apply a different action, how to catch the action of students, ensuring that they can understand the presentation. Now let's continue the next is the presentation for what is in third report settings such as accountants, dental report, or company financial or marketing institutions or vendors. So at this point, it highlights the practical application of presentation for clinical environment. It simply emphasizes that presentation is not just about for academic purposes, but it's all about it's also crucial tools for communication and persuasion in various fields. Also, we talk about accountants, it's all about responsible for clear financial planning. Next is the term can also be used for formal or informal introduction or operate as way the first presentation of the moon and the are you familiar with that? Open up from the moon, you got it. Observing you must take in during thinking process. Minsan ka lang thinking process is ginagawa lang you can walang makakabili sa isang process na sa alay sa mga batang speech like kanang special presentation na like that. So next is presentation in certain formats are also known as keynote. Hindi inside like ideas about keynote address. Keynote address. So when we talk about keynote address, this is a specific type of presentation usually a major speech delivered to a conference or event. So what is yung mga speech na ina-discuss or ina-present sa also, it suggests that there are different formats and styles of presentation when it's on purpose and practice. And we don't want keynote address typically sets the tone or theme of lastly, the interactive presentation in which the guest is involved. Instead of a monologue, this is a dialogue between the speakers and the listener. So when we talk about monologue, it is about one-way presentation and kung pupunta ka ng dialogue, it is interactive presentation, meaning the guy is involved